What's going on, everybody? Flying Dutchman here, and today we're fixing the exhaust. I already went ahead of myself and pulled it out of the car because as you can see there, that's why I'm glad I had a V-band, so I don't have to disconnect the whole exhaust. And there was a disconnection point, and in the middle it just straight up broke. And I think because of the drift day, you know, high RPMs, heat to the exhaust, that was the weak spot. And it was sort of a clean break, as you can see. So I just marked down 2 stripes so I know sort of where it sits. So we're gonna clean this up, press it against each other, and just cake it up, because nobody's gonna see it. It just needs to function. So we got the welder out, we're gonna do that. But first, so we just started, because that's how it sounded at the end of the day when I was driving home. It's not the ideal position for the car to be in, but you know. Six-cylinder noises. Sounds fucking good though. I'm just debating if I should bring this sound to the rear of the car. Then again, this is illegal to drive with this much sound, so maybe just take that extra resonator that I initially put in between, take that out so I have a little bit more of the burble in the back, or just take the catalytic converters out. But there are 2 of them because there's a dual pipe and it's a lot of work. And then when I have that fixed, I got a turbo, I need to change the exhaust system anyway, so I might just leave it for now. But at least we're gonna fix it. So I'm not a professional, but that's all sealed up, closed up, and back to go under the car. And well, that had me thinking, it's very easy to take the last bit of the exhaust off, and why not just delete that little middle muffler that I had. Where is it? That one. Take that one out and then see how it sounds, because this is too quiet for me and the other one is too loud for legal reasons. So I'm hoping the in-between with deleting that one will do. So I just need a straight bit of 32 centimeters. So we're gonna do that next, while more and more friends arrive. So I got the back section of the exhaust out, and from here to here is basically a straight section. And I found this, it's not fully straight, but that should work to fit in between there. And I'm gonna see what the result is. Just gonna cut that out, weld back in, hang it on the car, and it's a pretty easy and straightforward job. It's probably gonna be a short video, but probably have to do a long test drive. Everything is under the car, and we test fitted it. Wait, can I change the angle of this? Is a little better. So we got the exhaust here, and then this piece onto here. This has the V-band that was just connected, now just disconnected because I'm about to take this out. I did a little tack weld there and there and there, so it should stay in the same position. So I can take it out, weld it up, place it in, and see how it sounds. So, well, I made it work. I blew through a few holes there, but I managed to seal them up. It's not my best work, but also I'm not the best welder. But then again, it's honest work. So let's just put it on and see what the result is. And now we just cake it with some heat protective paint, because that's gonna rust instantly otherwise. And for my result, this stuff really works good on exhaust systems if you put it on good. But then again, it's under the car, so you're not gonna see it. so who cares? It's all about the sound, right, at this point. But I'm not gonna spray it here because then I'm gonna spray the sidewalk, so I need to put the camera down and pick it back up when it's under the car. So, old mistake fixed. V-band, whole new back section. This into the rear muffler. Deleted one mid pipe or muffler or whatever you want to call it. So let's drop it down and see how it sounds, because I'm excited. So here we go. It's down on its wheels. Exhaust is on. Everything tightened. Then we have the same sound, but then behind the car. Is it less? Is it worse? We don't know. It's less. It's definitely less, but it still has that a little bit of the burble. Can you rev it up for me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Oh. It's a little bit cold, but sacrifice because we wanted the noise. It's better.
Yeah.
Way better. So I'm very happy with the result. It's something different, and hopefully it's still legal. But there's only one way to find that out, right? Mission accomplished. It sounds so much better now. It sounds a little bit more, how do you say that? Capable of drifting. It sounds rowdy instead of the. Well, it had a low RPM sound, but then as soon as you got into the higher RPMs, it was just gone. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So hopefully I can get away with this with the police. I mean, I tried to have not an obnoxious, loud sounding car, and I tried to have it somewhat of a nice sounding car for myself as well. There's like a fine balance. You want to hear that 6-cylinder rumble, but then again, you want that 6-cylinder rumble, but you also don't want tickets and bullshit, because, you know, I'd rather put that money into a drift event, or even 2 drift events with the average fine. So I want to thank each and everyone for watching. I need to get out of the car. It's so warm outside today. It's not fun anymore. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more of this car, and of course the next drift day, because there's going to be more. I really had a good session last time on Midland, and it started to itch again. I think I've been out of the game for too long since of the whole thing that was going on in the world and no events available. And now there are, and there's plenty, so I'm hyped. Hopefully I'm able to pick up more of this video vlog content for you guys, because I was also struggling to make content, to make videos, so hopefully I'm a little bit back on track. We still have a lot of things we need to do to the Civic, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.